Assalamu alaikum Habibis. Welcome back to our new class. I don't know which class it is, but yeah, welcome back. If you are a thumbnail designer, you need a solid portfolio to attract high paying clients. But how do you make one? Where should you host it? And what makes a portfolio truly stand out? Today, I'll break it all down, why you need a portfolio, where to create one, and how I build mine. Stay till the end, and I also share some pro tips that most designers ignore. So, let's get to our first section. Why do you need a portfolio? A portfolio is your digital resume. When clients or companies want to hire a thumbnail designer, they don't care about your degrees, they care about your work. Here's why a portfolio is crucial: proves your skills instantly. No need to explain, just show your best work. Attract high paying clients. Professional trust designers with a solid portfolio. Builds credibility and authority. More proof is equal, more trust is equal, more opportunities. Increases conversions rate. If someone sees impression work, they're more likely to hire you. Now, section 2: where to create a portfolio. Where should I create my portfolio, bro? You have multiple options, but these are the best ones for thumbnail design. First, Behance, best for showcasing multiple projects in a professional layout. Second, Dribbble, great for networking with designers but more suited for creative shots. Third, Instagram, or you can use Twitter or Facebook. If you regularly post thumbnails, social media can act as your portfolio. Fourth, personal website, the most professional option. A website gives you a full control over your branding. But remember, if you use something like car.co and something like that, Canva, people make website, those are not visible to other people and those are not public. If you want your website to visible other people, you have to buy domain or hosting. If you can't afford it, just go on Behance. I personally recommend making making portfolio on Behance. Sorry, if you are a beginner, then later create your own website for a premium feel. Third section: how to make a standout portfolio. A great portfolio isn't just a random collection of thumbnails, bro. It needs structure. Here's what you should include. First, introduction: who you are and what you do. Keep it short and engaging. Second, best work first. Put your most eye catching thumbnails at the top. Third, before and after. Show how you transformed a bad thumbnail into a great one. Fourth, niche variety. Include thumbnails from different categories like IRL, finance, gaming, tech, etc. Fifth, case studies. Add context. What was the goal? How you improved CTR, etc. And now, sixth, testimonial. If you have any client feedback, include it for more credibility. If you don't have any, and if you are a beginner, that's alright. No need to worry about that. Section 4: how I made my portfolio. So, let me show you my portfolio first. I built this portfolio. Maybe you like it or not, but just comment below if you like it. And if you want step-by-step tutorial for this portfolio or this portfolio, I'll not be teaching this portfolio same as it is. I'll be teaching something else, but that will work for you as well. That will be professional. Now you can see my portfolio. It's professional, clean, and easy to understand layout. I focused on high CTR's thumbnail. Before and after comparisons, you can see that, and a clean, easy to navigate layout. This makes it easy for potential clients to see my best work without getting lost. And that's how you build a killer thumbnail design portfolio. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and comment below if you want a detailed tutorial on Behance portfolio setup. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, and if you don't know how to make thumbnail, you can check out my thumbnail design course, which is actually in Urdu, but you can, if you are Pakistani or Indian, you can check out it I'll link will be in description. Don't forget to subscribe for more thumbnail design tips and tricks. See you in the next one. Allah Hafiz Habibis.